Here is a short video about how to use multi-factor authentication to log into OpenClinica. Every time you log into the OpenClinica database, we will need to use the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. This is also known as multi-factor authentication, which is another way of confirming your identity when you log in. To use Google Authenticator app, you will first need to download it onto your mobile device. Download Google Authenticator from the App Store. It is free to download. Download Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store. It is free to download. Go to the OpenClinica database and log in with your account with your username and password. Open Google Authenticator on your mobile device and scan the QR code. You will then receive a 6-digit code on your mobile device after scanning the QR code. Enter the 6-digit code here and click Login. If you are unable to scan a QR code, click on Unable to Scan link on OpenClinica webpage after entering your username and password. This will provide a 32-key code. Select Enter a Setup Key and enter the 32-key code from the previous step. This will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code here and click here to log in. Once this is set up and you have the account saved on Google Authenticator, you do not need to scan the QR code again. Each time you log into OpenClinica, you will only need to use your username and password and then the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. Now, when you log into OpenClinica, your page should look like this. It should ask you to enter your 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. Enter the code that appears. Do not worry if the code times out. Enter the new one that appears. Once you have successfully logged in, the system will show the OpenClinica home screen. Contact the Panther team if you have any issues. Our contact details are listed below.